Yo, what is going on, boys? Because I know no girls watch this channel, but we are back with another video. Sorry I have not posted in like 3 weeks. I was down bad and I was just like about to just quit and just be done. So here we are at the 2023 Philly Auto Show. What a time, man. What a time. I haven't been back in like 3 years. You know, COVID was a thing, so we couldn't go for a little bit. Then I was deployed, but finally got to go back, and man, what a place. I got to say, saw some sick-ass cars. Here's the new WRX right here that looks like a Civic. About to give you my cousin's reaction in a moment, show you exactly how we're feeling about this bad boy. So I hope you guys enjoy this little bit right now. No, it's a Honda Civic. What are your thoughts on the new Civic?
Pretty nice.
Here's Gary explaining to us how bad he wants his Mach-E and Grabber Blue. He said he just loves this thing so much and really wants to go all electric. And then Braden next to me right here saying my YouTube videos suck and I should just quit. Oh, Mustang. Oh my gosh. It's not a GT. Sheesh. Well, and here we are talking about trying to find a Subaru because, you know, cross-track life. If you don't know, I daily a cross-track now. Oh, sheesh! The new Dark Horse? Hell yeah, everyone was crying on this damn thing. We even had to tell my little cousin to go to the bathroom because his little pecker was showing. You need to put that thing away, you know what I mean? Ooh. Showing off a little bit of Jeep life right here. Let's see if this thing could even make it over the hill. They couldn't even put real dirt down because they were scared. Oh my gosh. Oh, teeter-totting right there. Man, you would never catch me buying another Jeep. For all those Jeep videos I posted, I am sorry. If nobody knows, I had a 2006 in red. I literally had it less than 24 hours because I literally totaled it. And oh my gosh, one of the best things I've ever done. That just means one less Jeep on the road because I can't stand these damn things. So thank you for that. Trying to do some real man shit right here. See, Ram, they were like, we're not like Jeep. We'll put some actual dirt and some actual like little jumps and shit on the ground, but let's make them really small because we don't want to break the trucks in front of anybody and show you how weak they are. So they were playing it conservative. You know how that goes. Yeah. So let's watch this little thing go. Oh my gosh. It's so stupid. Why would I even film this? Look how small those tires are. Just terrible. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm sorry you have to watch this crap. This really sucks, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm digging that color. That orange looks really dang good. Really, really dang good. They said Ford couldn't get one of these because they didn't want to like show everyone out, but here's a fake man's truck, I guess. That's it. They had to put little bumps there because they didn't want to break it. If it was a Ford, they would be able to like do some crazy ass jumps. Damn, that turbo's too quiet.
Piece of shit these things are.
Yeah, too quiet. I give it a 0. If you don't know what this car is, you should probably just stop watching my channel now and maybe go put on Fast and Furious. There's the vacation car from National Lampoon's Vacation. If you don't know this show, it is Stranger Things with the Camaro right there. Oh, there's my Mustang. If I could ever finish it and it gets back on the road, that's what it'll look like. But it probably will never be back on the road. And here's some crazy cars that I probably will never afford because you probably won't subscribe to my channel because it says 97% of you are not subscribed to my channel. So you should probably subscribe right now. The lightning.
Is that electric?
Yeah, all these are electric.
Yeah, that's not fast.
They just broke it.
I hope you guys like that little skirt in that one car. Here's us in the Mach-E going for a little test drive. My cousin's filming because Ford, for whatever reason, didn't want to allow him to go in the car because he wasn't 16. Kind of a dumb rule because apparently you can go in any of the other vehicles that are not a Ford. So I guess Ford kind of sucks now. So I guess I'm going to sell everything and buy a dang Chevy, even though I hate Chevys. And I just might have to make the switch because this is just not going to work. I just don't understand the problem. Why do you have to be 16? But, yeah. But here's our driver. He's driving a little slow. He kind of explains that in the little video from the inside, saying that this car is the slow one. But he definitely showed that. But awesome. He was pretty nice. I ain't going to lie. I'm not trying to roast him, but he didn't really have driver mod, so I'm sorry if you were, boom, roasted.
Let's do this. So this vehicle here is a vehicle that they put together. The blend includes luxury, you guys. If you look around the inside here, the fit and finish, this places this vehicle in luxury in segment. And then it's a crossover, guys. Look at it, 5 guys in here. You know, there's room. I love to see, you know, folks that are over 6 feet tall, over and over, man, fit in here with, you know, a ton of headroom.
Oh yeah, look at this.
So if you compare the Mach-E to all these vehicles that are here, it definitely has a room. It has more because it has performance, luxury, and crossover qualities. You guys okay if I accelerate here?
Of course.
This is where it makes sense that they call it a Mustang.
Does the thing have interior noise as far as like fake engine noise?
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah. You guys want to hear it?
Yes. Yes.
So this guy's very particular where he wants it. And so we're on bridle, and that's sport and propulsion sound. Ready?
Yep. That's
Awesome, man.
Yeah, that actually accelerated really quick.
I wish they did have like a selection of sounds, you know?
Yeah.
Or, you know, I want it to sound like a
V8.
yeah, louder, you know. But yeah, pretty cool. By the way, this is the slow model.
All right, Matt, what's your opinion?
It's actually a lot faster than I thought.
How's the guys driving?
I don't know about that. Here's the new Chevrolet Colorado. I ain't gonna lie, this was actually pretty sweet. I would actually buy one of these things. And oh my gosh, the Z06. I love this color. It looks so good. I think I might have to paint my OBS this color. I really dig this blue. It really looks awesome. I would love to get one of these. After that, we went downstairs, and it's like a whole nother car scene down here. So here's just like basically all tricked out cars or celebrities' cars. There were some Philadelphia Eagles. They put their cars in here. Just a bunch of people, just crazy builds and stuff. Pretty cool to see. A lot of cool stuff, honestly. I think my favorite, honestly, was like seeing the GTRs. Like, there's a lot of R34s. You don't see those. Oh my gosh, big turbo gang. Let's go. You know this guy gets bitches. But oh my gosh, what the frig? This is the Grogu mobile right here. Gotta love it. And turbo. Oh, Tyler, if you're watching this, which you probably are not, you will not get one of these. I am sorry, but it's not happening. But this thing is kind of sweet. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, I don't have much great voiceover for the rest of this because I'm so speechless with how these cars look. But K5, oh, almost bought one of those, actually. I like that pink WRX. That's actually pretty sweet. This Bag Supra, super, super nice as well. The rest of these cars, they're kind of ragged out. I ain't gonna lie. Not my cup of tea. Might be yours, but definitely not my cup of tea. I think out of all these, I would probably just get that Tesla you're about to see. That's about it. And even that I wouldn't even want. So if you're watching, I just wouldn't watch these cars. I would just skip this part. That's what I would do. That thing's actually kind of sweet. I would get that. I would drive that every day to work so I could show it off. And yeah, I just don't have any other words for this. So enjoy the rest of the video. Here's just a bunch of more blah, 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 and some more cars. I really like this WRX. This thing is actually really sweet. One day I would love to get into rally racing and rally race one of those. That would be so cool. but I don't have driver mods, so that probably will never happen. Here we're about to show you all the GTRs that I was seeing, like some R32s and some 34s, Nismos. I really dig that blue. That shit is sweet. It would be super cool to get one of those one day. I don't know if it'll ever happen, but one can dream, right? One can dream. Here's some more GTRs and Skylines and whatnot. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sorry, this was a random video. Trying to get some more motivation to start filming more. So here's just a random video with a random voiceover that you guys probably didn't enjoy. So remember, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. I appreciate the support that I don't get.